wooden dugout is an essential showpiece of the permanent exhibition in Hall 3 of the State Historical Museum, which hall is devoted to the Mesolithic, Neolithic, and Chalcolithic ages of Russia. The guide's description of the climate situation at the boundary of Pleistocene and Holocene, the evolution of various types of economy, and the directions of the cultural contacts of peoples begins from this dugout.
Okay, so this is our tree, right?
All right, yeah.
What do we got here?
This is our prepared log, and what we're going to do now is remove everything that isn't a boat. And to do that, we use a combination of chopping and fire.
Okay.
It's really about that simple, but there are some pitfalls along the way, so we have to make sure we do things.